Hello and welcome back. In the previous lesson, we learned about cloud computing, and in this lesson, we will talk about different cloud deployment models. But before that, let's try to understand why do we need different types of cloud deployment models? The answer is simple. Different organizations have different requirements. They want different levels of control on their cloud infrastructure. So to cater their needs, we have different types of cloud deployment models. Each model has a different level of management, security, and cost associated with it. So once you understand all the cloud deployment models, you will be able to decide which cloud model best suits you and your customer. Now let's look at the definition of cloud deployment model. It is based on three main attributes. Where is cloud infrastructure located? Who controls it? And who can access and use it? In addition to all the cloud service like compute, storage, network, and database, cloud infrastructure also involves hardware, building, power, cooling, etc. Your control on the cloud will vary based on factors like where the infrastructure is located, who maintains it, and who can use it. There are three types of cloud deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. A public cloud is a cloud computing infrastructure maintained and operated by a cloud service provider. Some of the public cloud providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. In the public cloud computing model, cloud services such as compute, storage, database, and network are available over the internet, and anyone can access them. It means a startup, big organization, or even an individual can use public cloud services. The cloud service providers are responsible for maintaining the physical building, power, cooling, and hardware failure. We will learn about these public cloud providers in detail later in this module. Now let's go to the private cloud. A private cloud is a cloud computing infrastructure that is provisioned for an individual company. In the private cloud computing model, cloud services such as compute, storage, database, and network are available to an organization and its users only. However, the infrastructure can be maintained either by the organization only or by the third party who is providing the cloud services. Similarly, the hardware can be located on site or at the third party site. So when a cloud computing infrastructure is available for a certain organization and to their internal people only, this is called private cloud. Private clouds are more expensive than public clouds as huge upfront capital is required to set them up and maintain them. However, private clouds are better for organizations that want to run their mission critical applications from their private data center due to security reasons. We will look at cloud security in a separate module. The next is hybrid cloud. As the name suggests, hybrid means the combination of two or more. A hybrid cloud is a cloud computing infrastructure that benefits from both the public and private models and enables organizations to use both. So when an organization uses a public cloud along with their private cloud, that's called hybrid cloud. In other words, a hybrid cloud combines a public cloud and a private cloud to allow data and applications to be shared between them. That's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will cover traditional data centers and understand them. See you in the next lesson.